Good morning and welcome back. We are out, as you can see. We are actually in Ueno. It's the first sunny day in about almost a week, and of course I'm not doing laundry that I need to be doing. I am going to go to a museum, more like a kids museum, but yeah, I am actually meeting Alicia. I don't know if you remember her from previous vlogs or whatever, but yeah, it's gonna be lots of fun. We're meeting her and her little boy, and we're gonna go to a museum and have lots of playtime. Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever been to Ueno Park, but it's gorgeous. You can see the fall foliage behind me, and I'm loving it because I haven't really been able to go see anything fall related yet, and it's already almost December, so I need to get my butt moving if I want to see it, right? So I'm doing that right now in Ueno Park as a little break for myself. So I'm currently trying to find a small spot that I can set my stuff down real quick and just let Mary run around before we go into the actual museum. She can run all she wants in the museum as well, but we were just on a train for like 45 minutes to an hour, and she's like stir crazy right now. So yeah, let's do that. She's already getting into stuff that she's not supposed to. She finds a hole and backstory about this main lane here with lining with all these trees. They're actually all sakura trees. Yes, and in spring it is beautiful. They're all in bloom. It's just gorgeous. And if you want to do hanami, which is a picnic under the sakura, it's gorgeous, lots of fun, but you have to save your spot super early. Like, I'm talking the night before. You have to save your spot because like all of this area here taken up, that's almost wall to wall with just this thin line down the middle for walking, so you can only imagine. And look who I found! It's Alicia! Yay, she's coming! She's right here! We have made it to the museum! Yay! Mary, are you excited? Be careful, be careful! Oh, jozu, jozu. I want to let Mary down to run around, but she never listens to me to like stop or come here or anything. So literally I would just be chasing her around everywhere, and I'm really not for that right now. So I think we're heading to the Dinosaur Exhibit, and I'm really excited because I haven't been to one of those since I was a kid. So it's exciting. Man, look, it's a dinosaur. So cool, yeah? It's so cool. Oh, look at this one. Whoa, it's so cool. Lunchtime, I got some Hayashi rice. Very yum. We're on the roof of the museum, and this is the herb garden area, and it's outside of course, but it's actually quite nice right now. So yeah, can you see the view of the beautiful garden? So beautiful. So on the roof they also have this really nice picnic area up here, and it's really nice. It's like if you just want to be outside and look at everything, it's so nice. And it's just a nice open space for Mary to run around in, even though it's outside and it's a bit cold. But as long as she's running, it's all good. So we were just in the regular museum part, and now we're gonna go over here to the global gallery area, and it has a really cool kids area. I'm so excited. She can just kind of play and run around, use some more energy, and yeah. Have just finished the museum. Yay! And it was so much fun. It was a lot of fun.
First part definitely wasn't for kids. Second part definitely for children.
Yeah. There's two different buildings, and yeah. Hint, if you want to go to that kids zone area that we went to, make sure to buy your ticket ahead in advance, because you have to do that on the first floor before you go up there. Yeah. So it's time to say bye to Alicia. Bye guys! She's asleep. Oh, you woke up?
She'll go back to sleep.
She's very sleepy right now. So, it was so good.
It was so nice seeing you guys. Thanks for hanging with us.
We gotta do it again.
Yeah, for sure.
We have made it home. Yay! Mary literally only took like a 45-minute nap on the train and hasn't gone back to bed since. So yeah, I'm not sure if she will take another nap or not. I don't know. It's almost 4 o'clock now, so I'm thinking not. She's awake. But now I have to think about what I'm going to do for dinner. And I think I've decided on curry because it's the easiest thing and I don't really have to think about it at all. So yeah, I think it's curry tonight for us. And Mary likes it anyways, so can't go wrong with it. Well guys, everyone is super tired tonight, so we are going to go to bed. The curry turned out good even though I didn't have any carrots. Yeah, so you gotta deal with what you got. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!